So if you liked yesterday's lesson, you're going to love today's lesson because it's the same strategy. Today we are on lesson 68, page 135, compare fractions with the same numerator. So this time the top number is going to be the same, but the bottom number, the denominator, is going to be different. Ryan takes a survey of his class. 1/8 of the class has dogs and 1/3 of the class has cats. Are there more dog owners or cat owners in Ryan's class? So the fractions we're comparing is 1/8 and 1/3. So here if we look, they have the same size circle. This one's divided into 8 parts, and 1 out of the 8 has been shaded in. This circle is divided into 3 parts, and 1 out of the 3 has been shaded in. So as you can see, there's this circle with the 1/3 shaded in has more shaded than the circle with 1/8. So therefore, 1/3 is greater than 1/8, or 1/8 is less than 1/3. But again, if you liked my strategy from yesterday, make sure you have your multiplication table if you don't know your facts, because we're going to use the same strategy. Compare, write, greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, so 3/4 and 3/6. Remember our strategy from yesterday, bottoms up. 4 times 3 gives us 12. 6 times 3 gives us 18. Therefore, 3/4 is greater than 3/6. 1/8 and 1/6. Bottoms up. 8 times 1 is 8. 6 times 1 is 6. Therefore, 1/8 is less than 1/6. 2/4 and 2/6. Bottoms up. 4 times 2, 8. 6 times 2, 12. 2/4 is greater than 2/6. 2/3 and 2/6. Bottoms up. 3 times 2 gives us 6. 6 times 2 gives us 12. 12 is bigger than 6. So 2/3 is greater than 2/6. Over here I have 4/6 and 4/8. Bottoms up, 6 times 4 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 is greater than 24. That means 4/6 is greater than 4/8. Sorry, my camera was a little off there. 2/8 and 2/4. I have 8 times 2, bottoms up, 16. 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, 2/8 is less than 2/4. Okay, I'm going to have you finish independently 7 through 12. The pictures that I saw yesterday of people's answers were fantastic. I also posted an answer sheet for yesterday's problems today, so you can compare them if you weren't able to send me a picture. Same idea. Compare, write less than, greater than, or equal to. So here they have again the circle divided into 8 parts. 1 out of the 8 is shaded in. Now they have 1/2. So they divided it into 2 pieces. 1 out of the 2 is shaded in. 1/2 has more shaded in than 1/8. So 1/8 is less than 1/2. Same idea over here. We have 3/8 and 3/6. Bottoms up. 8 times 3, 24. 6 times 3, 18. 3/8 is less than 3/6, which makes sense because if you had a piece of pizza, a pie of pizza, I should say, that's divided into 8 pieces, and a pie of pizza that's divided into 6 pieces, obviously these pieces are going to be a little bit bigger because we have to divide them into less pieces. 2/3 and 2/4. Bottoms up, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 2/3 is greater than 2/4. Okay, I'm gonna have you finish the rest of this page because I feel like you guys really have this strategy. And this is actually something else you'll be doing in 4th grade next year. So just remember your bottoms up and you'll be all set. Problem solving. Okay, let's find out about Javier. Javier is buying food in the lunch line. The tray of salad, the tray of salad plates is 3/8 full. The tray of fruit plates is 3/4 full. Which tray is more full? So we're going to take our salad, 3/8, and we're going to take our fruit, which is 3/4. Again, see our numerators, the top numbers are the same. 8 times 3 equals 24. 4 times 3 equals 12. So 3/8 is less than 3/4. So it says which tray is more full, the 3/4. And if we look back, the 3/4 is the fruit plate. Fruit plate. Oh, sorry, I went off the camera there for a second. All right. Last but not least, number 11. Rachel bought some buttons. Of the buttons, 2/4 are yellow and 2/8 are red. Rachel bought more of which color buttons? So you're going to compare the 2/4 and the 2/8. Do your bottoms up strategy and tell me which types of buttons she has more of, red or yellow.